Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. Happy new week. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A Adeboye write. Today na Monday 29th of January 2024 and our topic today na Wetin be God tempol part 6. Our memory verse dey for Psalm 22 verse 3 and e talk say, "You dey holy and na you get all the praise for Israel." We go see our Bible reading for 2 Chronicles chapter 5 verse 30 to 14. And it talks say, those wey dey blow trumpet and those wey dey sing together, dey praise and give Baba God all the glory with the trumpet, cymbals and other instruments. Everybody come dey shout praise God, dey say, God dey good, in love and goodness na forever and ever. At once, one kind thick cloud come cover God temple, so the priests no fit continue their work again because of the cloud, and na God presence with him glory na him cover the whole temple. Now the message. Baba God temple big pass all the things wey I don dey talk about for this topic. In fact, if I wan call God temple any other name, na to call am house of praise and power. For our Bible reading today, we fit see why David talk say, I happy well when dem say make we go Baba God house. Baba God temple na house of praise. Psalm 22 verse 3 talk say, God dey holy and na him get all the praise for Israel. And we see the evidence for our Bible reading today. Baba God temple na also house of thanksgiving, because for our Bible reading today, e talk say no be only to praise God they do, but they also thank am. We fit see that one for 2 Chronicles chapter 5 verse 13. David come talk again for Psalm 100 verse 4 say, make una sing thanksgiving song as una dey enter in presence. Make una enter in temple with praise. As you dey thank and praise am so, in glory go come full in temple with plenty power. So if una go Baba God temple, una dey go in glory be that o. In glory go come dey una body. Anywhere where una come dey go after then, una go just dey experience in supernatural goodness and in mercy. God temple na also house wey be say goodness and mercy boku well. For Psalm chapter 23 verse 6, Bible talk say, true, in goodness and in love wey no dey fail go dey follow me till I die, and I go dey for God house forever and ever. E get one song wey I like well and I say dem sing am, true, in goodness and love wey no dey fail go follow me till I die, and I go dey for God house forever and ever. True, in goodness and love wey no dey fail go dey follow me till I die, and I go dey for God house forever and ever. And I go dey for God house forever and ever. And I go dey for God house forever and ever. I go chop for the table wey they don prepare for me. True, in goodness and in love wey no dey fail go dey follow me till I die, and I go dey for God house forever and ever. My brethren, I wan encourage una make una sing this song prophetically, and if una no know the song, una fit speak the word of the song into una life. Una must make sure say no be only to sing or to speak the word wey dey the song o, but una must practice and join. To live for God house mean say una must chop for the table wey don dey prepare for una. Whether enemy like am or not, if una dey God house dey praise and thank am, table go dey prepare for una, and nothing for this world go fit stop am. The main point for today's message be say, the plenty better things wey dey inside God temple too much, and e no fit pass una by. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o, till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye.